Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing astrological signs on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you set the wrong birthday by mistake on Snapchat, and now your astrological sign is the wrong one, don't worry, you can change it. To do it, open up the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to get to your profile page. As you can see, my astrological sign is currently Pisces. Tap on the Settings cog in the top right corner to get to Settings. In Settings, tap on Birthday. In the Birthday settings, tap on My Astrological Birthday. Here you can change your birth time and place if you like, but to change your astrological sign you will have to change your date of birth. To do that, go back to the Birthday settings and tap on your current birthday at the top. Note that you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. Change your birthday to the correct date and then tap Continue. You will now have to confirm your age and date of birth in the pop-up. Tap OK. Now, if you go back to your astrological profile, it will not have changed. This is because you need to close the Snapchat app and reopen it for the changes to take effect. As you can see, my astrological symbol has now changed from Pisces to Sagittarius. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.